All right, at this point, we should have finished our quick write activity on tab 2, page 2, and we should have clicked hand in. So please make sure that you do that before we move on. As of right now, we just watched a demonstration on our slide about how to use the simulation for microbiome. And the simulation tool is called the scale tool for this unit. And so we're going to show you a couple different ways how to access that and a couple of other digital tools. What you'll need to do is scroll up to the top of your page in Amplify. Go ahead and click on the pancake stack menu on the top left-hand corner, and you will scroll all the way down to where it says Scale Tool, and this is a part of your science apps. When you click on it, it'll take just a moment to load. And just as the video demonstrated, you will click on the blue circle and you can drag it to the left to look at much smaller organisms and objects, or you could slide it to the right for a much larger scale items. Now this does open up a new window, so if you are done with the scale tool, you'll have to click the X out on your tab to leave that sim. Another way to access the sim, I'm going to close this menu there, is on tab 4, and this you will see within Amplify throughout all of our units. There will be times that we'll have a link that works within the actual tab. So when it says launch the scale tool, if I click on this hyperlink, it will open up the scale tool as well. So those are two different ways that you can access these sims when we're in Amplify. Another digital tool that we will be using in our pancake stack menu is the library. And the library is going to be where all of our digital articles are kept. And these articles are very important because that is where we're going to get a lot of new knowledge and information that is necessary for each of our units. Another thing that you will need, closing that menu, is in the lesson brief. We have our hands-on, so if you like to have actual paper worksheets, you are welcome to print off these PDFs, but the stuff that I will be grading will be the digital version on Amplify. However, we have the microbiome glossary, which is down here, and this has all of our vocabulary words for this specific unit. So when we are doing vocabulary in our notebook, you can always go here if you need to and find our new vocabulary terms.